Welcome to Convenience Talk. My name is Melanie, and today's topic is how to search for C-store owners using Ohio's UST data. So I wanted to start by showing you this blog post on Convenience Talk. What it has is the links to all of the UST databases, and they're ordered by states. So if we go down to Ohio, and if you click on this link, you'll end up on this site. And on the site, there's a couple of options that are interesting. So there's the list of underground storage tanks, search UST facilities in the state. And so I clicked on this link and it gave me an Excel file, which I've opened. But I also wanted to show you this is the search, the online search. So if I go to the Excel form or the Excel file, I've just done a quick filter on this, and I filtered it by gas stations. You can see all the different options here, and you have the facility name and you have the owner name, some address information, along with other information like for the tanks, what's housed in the tanks, the size of the tank, basic information that you would find related to underground storage tanks. And that's it for Ohio. My name is Melanie, and thank you for watching this video.